Hello my friends, how are you all today? It's extremely hot outside. It's 38 degrees and it's like 5:30 or something, so I've just ordered some dinner. Go get that soon. But this Meng kit is pretty damn cool. You see these little hatches here? They open and close. And same with the these top ones here. You got to do a little bit of fiddling with it, because it's got those latches, so it sort of just pops into place like that. See, it's got latches in it, photo etch latches. So yeah, that's pretty wicked. So I'm like, oh shit, I better put some colour into it. So what I chose to do is I put some duck egg in, and I think I got enough coverage in there just to get the look, because the gun breech, and that's got to go in yet, and that'll cover up most of it. But I chose SMS's duck egg, so that's pretty cool. I like that colour, it's nice. Probably not realistic, but it's nice. I saw it there and I thought, no, I'm not going to do the cream or anything. I'll do the duck egg, so that looks really cool. And in the end, this fits in pretty well. This top plate, I've got it the wrong way around. Wrong way around. The top plate fits in pretty well. We'll see if we can get this on. So that pops on, it snaps in, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's in place like that. Yeah. So I've only just got to fill up a little gap there, the front there. That's doable. I thought it was going to be a lot worse, but it's not. So just tiny little gap filling, not much at all. Get that going on, and it'll be a really cool little tank. I put oh yeah, I got to put that little connector on there as well. I put these on, the tow cables. They look good, I reckon. But it came up 20mm short. So in the instructions it says the cable is 108mm. I'd probably add 20mm to that, because I think that's saying for the kit, the one that does the one from there, but I had mine stuck there as it says, because I'm building number 4, and you can see it's meant to go to there, but for some reason this measurement is for I think it's version number 2 or something like that. Let's have a look. So that one's got them all the way to the back. That one's got them twisted all around, so that one you'd have to make it even longer. So yeah, just think about that. That one's all the way to the back. That one's all the way to the back. So I don't know what this 108mm is, because I measured that out on a ruler. So that is a good 20mm short, as you can see from there. So yeah, add a 20mm, and if you're doing the one that wraps around, of course, add more of that. So yeah, it does. I thought this would be an easy build, I honestly did, but it's turning out to be a monster. Like, it's after the Tiger I built, you know, I thought, oh yeah, I'll have just a nice easy build with this Meng kit, but it's turned out to be quite snazzy, quite lots of, you know, little cool features on it and stuff. So I do highly recommend it. It's a really cool kit. So I'm going to get some colour in on this, finish off this top plate, and I'll put some duck egg colour underneath. So we'll just put some duck egg under there, get that in, and then we'll be able to see the interior, so they can open and close the top, so you can see in. And I've got this cool figure set. Where is that? I just remember I got it ages ago, so it's just waiting for a cool kit to come up. So I've got this, and I think that would be perfect. These guys sitting on the back. What do you reckon? You've got 4 figures. One's smoking a ciggy, one's giving him a light, so sort of off his other cigarette. And there's a guy just looking out, and there's this guy with the cigarettes. It's a pretty cool pack. They've got the modern guns, well not modern, but you know, the end of late war guns. You know, it looks really realistic. It's by Hobby Boss, so they look pretty cool. So I might make them up because they look like they're Ardennes Grenadiers, don't they? So that would be perfect for that because I'm making the Ardennes one, the Ardennes version. So yeah, coming along nice. Well, I'm going to go get my dinner and I will speak to you again soon.